Hello students, let us see the 6-1 question. The value of tan A into cos A whole bracket square minus sin A sec A whole bracket square is. Options are 0, 1, -1, 2. Okay, so let us see how can we solve it. Okay, so now here students, first here see, first we write the equation as it is. First we write the equation as it is, that is the tan A multiply cos A whole bracket square minus sin A multiply sec A whole bracket square. Now here tan A means sin A upon cos A, multiply here cos A means 1 upon sin A whole bracket square minus here sin A multiply sec A, that means 1 upon cos A whole bracket square. Okay students, now here the sin A and sin A get cancelled, so here 1 upon cos A whole bracket square minus here sin A upon cos A whole bracket square. So now here this is the 1 upon cos A. 1 upon cos A means students the sec A and here whole bracket square minus here sin A upon cos A means the tan A whole bracket square. So now here that sec square A minus tan square A. So that means students the answer is the 1. Answer is the 1 because it is the third identity, trigonometry identity. So now here correct answer is 1. So the option B is the correct answer. So now see the next one example students. See the next one example here. So here cot theta plus tan theta equals. Options are cosec theta, sec theta, sin theta, sec theta, cot theta, sin tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. So see how can we solve it. First here write down cot theta plus tan theta. Okay. So now here cot theta, I write the cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta because it is the inverse of the tan theta. So the tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So the inverse of the tan theta will be cos theta upon the sin theta. So now here plus tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. So now I cross multiply cos theta multiply cos theta plus sin theta multiply sin theta and divided by the sin theta multiply cos theta. Now here cos theta multiply cos theta, so cos square theta plus sin theta multiply sin theta, that is the sin square theta, and divided by sin theta multiply cos theta. Okay students, now here see that cos square theta plus sin square theta means sin square theta plus cos square theta, and which one is the first identity and which is equal to 1. So here I write 1 upon sin theta multiply cos theta. Now do the bifurcation, that is the 1 upon sin theta multiply that 1 upon cos theta. Separate out the sin theta and cos theta. So 1 upon sin theta, that means the cosec theta, and the 1 upon cos theta, that means the sec theta. So here this is our final answer student. Cosec theta, sec theta. So see here the option A is the correct answer. Which version 8 student? the value of tan square theta minus 1 upon cos theta multiply sec theta is, options are 1, 0, minus 1, 2. So now here see that the tan square theta minus 1 upon cos theta multiply sec theta. So now here tan square theta, that means I write as it is, okay? Do not disturb it. Then minus here 1 upon cos theta, that means the sec theta. So I write here sec theta and multiply sec theta. So now here the tan square theta minus the sec theta multiply sec theta, that means the sec square theta. Okay, so now here there is an identity, and that identity is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So that's why here the 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. But here the position of the tan square theta and the sec square theta are changed, and that means it will be the negative sign, negative 1. Okay, so that means here the option, the correct answer is minus 1. So the option, correct option is C, minus 1. So now let us see the next one example, students. Next one example is in right angle triangle at A, if sin B is equal to 1 upon 4, then the value of sec B is, options are 4, root 15 upon 4, root 15 and 4 upon root 15. So let us see how can we solve it. So now here the right angle at sin B is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, so now here we have to solve the value of sec B. So now here sec B, that sec B means students, that sec B means the 1 upon cos B. Okay students, 1 upon cos B, and that's why here we write that sec B as the 1 upon cos B. Okay, so now here students, what is the value of the B cos B, or the formula of the cos B, or the identity related with the cos B? That we take the identity 1, that is the sin B plus cos sin square B plus cos square B is equal to 1. So here students, we get that cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B. So that means students, cos B is equal to in the square root 1 minus sin square B. Okay student, so this is the value of the cos B. So I put this value here. So I get 1 upon in the square root 1 minus sin square B. Okay, but here now students, if you observe that the given value of the sin B is equal to 1 upon 4. So I substitute here that 1 upon 4. Sin B is equal to 1 upon 4 whole bracket square. So here 1 upon in the square root 1 minus square of the 1 upon 4 students, that is the 1 upon 16. So now here we simplify this one. Okay, so simplify this one. That means here 1 upon in the square root 16 minus 1 upon 16. So here students, that will be equal to 1 upon in the square root 15 upon 16. Okay, so that means 1 upon root 15 and divided by root 16. So here 1 upon root 15 upon 4. Square root of 16 means the 4. So here our answer is the 4 upon root 15. So this is our final answer. So the correct option is the option D, 4 upon root 15. 10 student, if tan A plus cot A is equal to 6, then find the value of tan square A plus cot square A minus 4. So students, here tan A plus cot A is equal to 6. And we have the value of tan square A plus cot square A minus 4. So there are the square. So here on both the sides, squaring on both the sides. Okay, squaring on both the sides. So here tan A plus cot A whole bracket square is equal to 6 square. स्टुडंट्स, त्यांनी आपल्याला क्लू दिलेलाच असतो. ओके, एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला क्लू दिलेला असतो. इथे क्लू दिलेला आहे स्क्वेअर tan स्क्वेअर ए प्लस कॉट स्क्वेअर ए. सो आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की आपण सुद्धा काय करायचं आहे, जे गिवन दिलंय त्याला आपण स्क्वेअर करायचं आहे. सो आपण इकडे तिकडे न भटकता आपण तिथेच काय करायचा, क्लू शोधायचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. Try the clue in the given example, students. Okay, because the clues are given in the example. Okay, so let us see the next one, that is the squaring tan A plus cot A. So here tan square A plus 2 tan A multiply cot A plus cot square A. Okay, cot square A, which is equal to 36. So now here students, that tan square A plus 2 tan A multiply. Now here cot A means the reciprocal of the tan A. So I write here 1 upon tan A. So plus cot square A, which is equal to 36. So now here tan A upon tan A, that means tan A cancel. So here tan square A plus 2 and here the plus cot square A, which is equal to 36. Okay students, then here tan square A plus cot square A is equal to 36 minus 2. So that means tan square A plus cot square A is equal to 34. So now here, but we don't want the value of tan square A plus cot square A. We want the value of tan square A plus cot square A minus 4. So that means we subtracting 4 on both the sides. So 34 minus 4, which is equal to 30. So our final answer is 30. Okay students, question 11 student, if 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 tan square 30, then find the value of k here. Okay student, so now here first we write the 4k is equal to tan square 60 minus 2 cosec square 30 minus 2 tan square 30. So now here students, that 4k is equal to tan square 30. So tan 60, so the value of tan 60 is the root 3 students, root 3. So here square of root 3, then minus 2, and here cos square 30 students. So the cos square 30, that means the value is the 2. So the square of 2, and minus here 2 and the tan 30. So the value of tan 30 is the 1 upon root 3. So the square of 1 upon root 3. So now here students, we simplify this. 4k is equal to 3. Square of root 3 means 3. Then the here square of 2, that is the 4, and here 2 multiply, that is the square of 1 upon root 3, that is the 1 upon 3. So now here 4k is equal to 3 minus 8 minus 2 upon 3. So now here 4k is equal to 3 minus 8, that means minus 5 minus 2 upon 3. So 4k is equal to minus 15 minus 2 upon 3. That means 4k is equal to minus 17 upon 3, and that means k is equal to minus 17 upon 4 multiply 3, that means equal to minus 17 upon 12. So this is our final answer. Okay, let us see the next example, students. Question 12. If x cos 60 plus y cos 0 plus sin 30 minus cot 45 is equal to 5, then find the value of x plus 2y. So now here, students, the given is x cos 60 plus y cos 0 plus sin 30 minus cot 45 is equal to 5. So now here, students, here I write here x. Now the cos 60, the value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2, then plus y cos 0, the value of cos 0 is 1, plus sin 30, 1 upon 2, minus cos 45, that is the 1, which is equal to 5. So now here x upon 2 plus here y plus 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Okay, so now here x upon 2 plus y plus, now here 1 upon 2 minus 1, that means the minus 1 upon 2, student. Answer will be minus 1 upon 2. So now here x upon 2 plus y is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 2. So now here x upon 2 plus y is equal to 10 plus 1 upon 2. That means, students, here x upon 2 plus y is equal to 11 upon 2. Okay. So now here x plus 2y upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 2. So here, students, x plus 2y is equal to 11, because the 2 get cancelled. So x plus 2y is equal to 11. So this, yes, we have to find out the value of x plus 2y, which is equal to 11. So this is our final answer.